Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm David.
And I'm Alice. Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today.
Yes, thank you. So today we have a really fun and useful topic.
Oh, I love useful topics. What are we talking about today, David?
Today we are going to learn how to use the word in when we talk about the future.
Oh, like in 5 minutes?
Yes, exactly like that. In 5 minutes, in 2 hours, in 3 days.
Oh, that's such an important expression. I hear it all the time.
Right? You hear it everywhere, and it's so easy to learn.
Okay, I'm excited. But first,
Yes, if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell.
yes, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us a lot.
Okay, let's start.
Let's go.
So Alice, let me ask you something. What does in mean when we talk about time?
I think in means after some time passes.
Yes, that's exactly right. When we say in with a time word, it means after that amount of time passes from now.
So in 5 minutes means 5 minutes from now?
Perfect. In 5 minutes means 5 minutes from now.
Oh, that's really clear. Can you give me another example?
Sure. The bus will come in 10 minutes.
The bus will come in 10 minutes, so the bus is not here now,
Right.
but after 10 minutes pass.
The bus will arrive.
Got it. 10 minutes from now, the bus comes.
Exactly. Let's say it one more time, slowly. The bus will come in 10 minutes.
The bus will come in 10 minutes.
Great. See? It's not hard at all.
No, it's not. Okay, let me try one. I will eat lunch in 30 minutes.
Oh, nice one. I will eat lunch in 30 minutes. So right now you are not eating.
Right, I'm not eating yet.
But after 30 minutes,
I will eat.
perfect. You're hungry, huh?
Always. Okay, so let me make sure I understand. In plus a time word means from now.
Yes. In plus time equals from now. That's the key.
In plus time equals from now.
Let's practice with more examples. I'll say a sentence and you tell me what it means. Ready?
Ready.
I will call you in 1 hour.
Okay, that means you will call me 1 hour from now.
Yes, 1 hour from now, I will call you.
Easy.
Okay, next one. She will finish her homework in 2 hours.
She will finish 2 hours from now.
Perfect.
Oh, wait, I have a question.
Sure, what is it?
What's the difference between in 2 hours and after 2 hours? They sound kind of similar.
Oh, that's a great question. Actually, many learners ask this.
Really?
Yes. So in 2 hours means 2 hours from now. The starting point is always right now, this moment.
Okay.
But after 2 hours usually means after 2 hours of doing something. The starting point can be a different event.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. After 2 hours of studying, she took a break.
Oh, so she studied for 2 hours first, and then she took a break.
Exactly. The starting point is studying, not right now.
But if I say she will take a break in 2 hours...
Then it means 2 hours from now she will take a break.
Oh, I see. That's a really important difference.
It is. Let me say it again. In 2 hours, from now, after 2 hours of something, from that event.
In from now, after from an event. Got it.
You're doing amazing.
Thanks. Okay, let's keep going. What other time words can we use with in?
Great question. We can use in with almost any time word. For example, in 5 minutes or in 1 hour.
In 5 minutes, in 1 hour. Got it.
Right. You can also use longer times, like in 2 days, in 3 weeks, or even in 6 months and in 2 years.
Wow, so we can use in with minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. That's so flexible.
It really is, and people use it every single day.
I believe it. I hear it in movies all the time now.
Yes, movies, TV shows, at work, at school, everywhere.
Okay, David, I want to practice with real-life situations. Can we do that?
Of course. Let's do some real-life practice. Imagine you are at a restaurant.
Oh, I love restaurants.
Me too. So you order your food, and the waiter says,
Yes?
"Your food will be ready in 15 minutes.
Your food will be ready in 15 minutes, so I have to wait 15 minutes from now.
Exactly.
Okay, what's another situation?
Imagine you are at the airport. Your flight is delayed. The announcement says, "The plane will depart in 45 minutes."
The plane will depart in 45 minutes, so 45 minutes from now, the plane will leave.
Right.
That's a stressful situation, but at least the English is easy.
True. Okay, another one. Imagine you are at work. Your boss says, "We have a meeting in 30 minutes."
We have a meeting in 30 minutes. So 30 minutes from now, the meeting starts.
Perfect.
Notice something, everyone. We don't always say will. Sometimes we use the present tense with in.
Oh, great point, Alice. Yes, we have a meeting in 30 minutes. We used have, not will have.
Is that okay?
Yes, when something is planned or scheduled, we can use the present tense. Both are correct.
So we have a meeting in 30 minutes and we will have a meeting in 30 minutes. Both are fine.
Both are fine, but the first one sounds more natural for schedules.
Good to know. Okay, let me think of one. My mom is coming in an hour.
Oh, great example. My mom is coming in an hour. Present continuous for a future plan.
So we can use in with present tense, present continuous, and future tense?
Yes, all three work. The key is the in plus time part. That always means from now.
That's really helpful. Let me try a few more for practice.
Go for it.
The movie starts in 20 minutes.
Great.
I'm leaving in 5 minutes.
Perfect.
He will graduate in 2 years.
Wonderful. All correct.
I'm getting good at this.
You really are. Okay, everyone, let's do something fun. Let's play a little game.
A game? I love games.
I'm going to describe a situation, and you, yes, you, listening right now, try to make a sentence with in. Ready?
Ooh, listeners, you can pause and try before I answer. Okay, go.
Situation 1. It's Monday now. You have an exam on Wednesday. How do you say it?
I have an exam in 2 days.
I have an exam in 2 days. Great.
Did you get it right, everyone?
Situation 2. It's 3 o'clock now. Your friend is coming at 5 o'clock.
My friend is coming in 2 hours.
My friend is coming in 2 hours.
Easy.
Situation 3. It's January. Your vacation is in March.
Oh, my vacation is in 2 months.
My vacation is in 2 months. Excellent.
Wait, David. My vacation is in March. That also uses in, but that's different, right?
Oh, you're so smart. Yes, that's a different use of in. In March means during March, but in 2 months means 2 months from now.
So in with a specific month means during that month,
Right.
but in with a number plus time word means from now.
Exactly. In March, during March. In 2 months, 2 months from now.
That's a really important thing to notice. Good catch, right, everyone?
Very good catch. Okay, let me give you some more situations from daily life.
Yes, please.
Imagine you are texting a friend. Your friend asks, "When will you arrive?" What do you say?
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Perfect. I'll be there in 10 minutes. This is probably the most common sentence with in for future time.
Really?
Oh, yes. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 20 minutes. People say this every day.
That's true. I say it all the time. Sometimes I say 5 minutes, but it actually takes 20.
We all do that. That's very human.
Very human, yes.
Okay, here's another common one. Imagine your friend asks, "When does the show start?"
The show starts in 30 minutes.
Or maybe it starts in half an hour.
Oh, half an hour. That's the same as 30 minutes.
Yes, in half an hour is very common in spoken English.
In half an hour. I like that. It sounds natural.
It does. Some other common expressions: in a moment, in a second, in a minute.
Wait, in a second? Does that literally mean 1 second?
Not usually. In a second and in a minute often mean very soon.
Oh, like I'll be right there kind of meaning.
Exactly. Hold on, I'll help you in a second. It doesn't mean literally 1 second.
That would be very fast.
Very fast, yes. It just means very soon, or give me a moment.
So in a second and in a minute can be approximate.
Yes, they are often approximate. But in 10 minutes or in 2 hours, those are usually more specific.
Okay, I understand. So shorter time words can be used loosely.
Right. Good observation.
Okay, David, let's also talk about when not to use in.
Oh, great idea. This is important too.
So when should we not use in for future time?
Good question. We don't use in when we mention a specific day or date.
Like?
We say on Monday, not in Monday. We say on March 15th, not in March 15th.
Oh, right. On is for specific days and dates.
Exactly. I have a meeting on Tuesday, not in Tuesday.
And for times?
We say at 3 o'clock, not in 3 o'clock.
At for specific clock times. Got it.
So remember, in is for a period of time from now. On is for days and dates. At is for specific times.
In, 5 minutes. Good. On, Monday, good. At 3 o'clock, good.
In Monday, no.
In 3 o'clock, no.
Exactly.
Okay, let me also practice some longer sentences, more complex ones.
Sure, go ahead.
I'm going to start a new job in 2 weeks, so I'm very excited.
That's great. Natural and clear.
She will move to a new apartment in 3 months.
Excellent. That means 3 months from now.
We are going on vacation in 10 days, and I can't wait.
Those are all wonderful sentences. Very natural.
Thank you. I think the key is to just practice using in with different time words.
Absolutely. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review before we finish.
Good idea. So here are the key points.
Number 1, in plus time means from now.
In 5 minutes means 5 minutes from now.
Number 2, we can use in with minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years.
In 10 minutes, in 2 hours, in 3 days, in 1 week, in 6 months, in 2 years.
Number 3, in for future time is different from after.
In 2 hours means from now. After 2 hours of studying means from that event.
Number 4, we can use in with present tense, present continuous, and future tense.
The bus leaves in 5 minutes. I'm coming in 10 minutes. She will arrive in 1 hour.
And number 5, in a second and in a minute often just mean very soon.
Not literally 1 second. Right, not literally. Okay, everyone, that's our lesson for today.
I hope you learned something new.
Remember, practice using in your daily conversations.
Try making your own sentences. For example, think about something you are going to do today. When will you do it? Use in.
That's a great idea. And tell us in the comments, what will you do in 1 hour? We want to hear from you.
Yes, write your sentence in the comments. We love reading them.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a like and subscribe.
It really means a lot to us.
We'll see you in the next video.
Yes, we'll see you in a few days.
See what she did there? Using our lesson already.
Of course, practice makes perfect, right?
Right. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.